Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to be talking about the spooky situation what take place right now. We'll start to see, one and two people start get called out, because of their links to Kevin Smith, and people have been Kevin Epstein, and people are celebrating, saying, well done, clean up, right? Yeah, man, I saw it we go. That's fine, but man, I'm telling you something right now. Right? This way bigger than the people right? Will get quote unquote exposed. By now, you've probably heard about JDF captain, right? Captain Omain Morgan. Right? He quote unquote resigned, right? His commission, right? Retiring commission, but let's be honest with this. Right? It's not like them they have much of a choice. It's one of them retired away. Basically, when make you know, so you have to go cut, right? And you just the best thing that, and then you resign and go on with your business. Why the captain end up losing commission? Well, you see on the night, right, the now infamous night, we get to understand, say, him and a policewoman donned in them uniform, right, escort Kevin Epstein to the quote-unquote church, right, like say, right, he's some kind of head of state. The captain a drive, right, and the policewoman, right, when they reach, come out, open the door, make Kevin Epstein, a real presidential life, Mr. Epstein that live, The man a live like say, right, he's Genghis Khan. The man a live like Alexander the Great. When was the last time you see any policewoman step out a vehicle and open the door for nobody? When was the last time any woman step out of any vehicle and open the door for any man? Kevin Epstein, right, clearly had a lot of sway over these people. Now some people say, then that sound kind of harsh. Oh, why the captain have to retire? Well, based on how close he was with Kevin Epstein, first of all, him gone, right, in a full uniform. Right. Second, the JDF have certain standards. A matter of fact, in these situations, the soldier go get, right, I go lose fame work faster than the police because the standards with the JDF, right, operate on are much stricter than the standards with the JCF operate on. An officer in the JDF, right, is expected to behave in a certain manner, right, is expected, right, to lead by example, right, and this situation and get himself caught up in right, in that figure, right. Now if you want to shed some tears, see my your business that, right, but as far as I'm concerned, based on where I hear, good riddance. Now him can go, file him documents them if he want, right, although him probably dig himself deep in a hole, right. But so be it. The police woman, we get to understand, say, fear weapon was fired upon the night. Right. And by the way, on the note, all we hear about a police woman, with them still the name who this police woman is. Right. But where is the fear weapon get fired upon the night? Fired, remember, man get shot, lose them life, and people shot off for police. The fact the fear weapon was discharged means say it can't be for nothing good. Because we already know which side she depend. So we have to understand, when the people them see a JDF officer and a policewoman in a full uniform escorting Kevin Epstein, it further boosts his image as some kind of larger than life individual. Image is important. The people them don't look to him as some kind of, big time, big shot. How much people used to walk around? How much people get escorted by a JDF captain and a policeman? Right. Tell me them name. You could be the president and CEO and chairman, right, of the biggest company in Jamaica, and I can assure you, right, the JDF captain and a policewoman in a uniform now escort you. So the uniform important, People that overlook the uniform part because with the uniform signal, official thing. The uniform signal, you ever see the Governor General move on? When the Governor General move on, the man them will move on with him. You say, oh, this is official. If you see the Prime Minister move on, you say, oh, this is official. At the same impact, seeing a JDF officer and a policewoman carry on Kevin Epstein at the same impact it have on him congregation. this man is official. All of the people them want tell me say, you want look wanna be, you want look fool lie them a tell. See there, after no look normal man can't get them escort here. It's spooky. But I want to understand something, people at Jamaica. This, in terms of the people them who quote unquote hit a roll, them a small fry. I wonder if you know with me so far. On the thumbnail when you see me say guess what, this are the guess what. Them people here are small fry. Kevin Epstein links major. The man have links in the politics, the business world, all over. If when the smoke clear, the only people for fall is the JDF captain and the police woman, then this would be a big smoke and mirrors operation. In America, them talk about, you have some little patsies where you throw under the bus. That them are do right now. Them are look for some little people throw under the bus. See, me know you probably think that a captain is this major, super powerful. I'm telling you something about wrong. You know, so when I watch no show on here about captain. In a real life, a captain in the military is not a mover and shaker. A captain in the army, right, can't make much happen. Right. He's usually a leader of a platoon, right, and he might have a 30-40 man and there's command and go up on operations. Right. But in terms of making things happen, trust me, you grossly overestimate, right, the power of a captain. The people where Kevin Smith are linked with, for them rank much bigger than a JDF captain. But when I hear none of them, I get exposed yet. When I see none of them, I get thrown under the bus yet. So yes, the captain get and forget, and the policewoman, she forget, but warm to the rest. When they think we are fool, when they think it's a vulture squad this, celebrate some little, shallow victory. Where the real links them there? Kevin Epstein could not have survived for so long. Right, when you hear about the intelligence officer, right, where them have to move from them quote unquote reassign. This man was one of the top intelligence chiefs in Mobile, and he was a part of Kevin Smith congregation. So now honestly why him could have beat the system so long. When you have one of the men them at the top, right, one of the leaders them for the intelligence unit under your system, all them go pull up on you. You think you gonna have intel, so you gonna run in upon him beloved pastor and link him and say, Father, me here say them plan operation for you. Right. Let me just commend the members of the security forces, right? Whoever a leader them who met the call, who said listen, we have to go now, let me commend them. Because clearly Kevin Epstein, right, had already infiltrated the system. Right? And he might get him call him, he might get him tip off them. Right? So the fact that the operation could have happened so fast, catch them off guard, means that somebody decides, say, you know what, move now. It was a decisive action to save them people alive. Now, of course, I've made fun of, some of the people them, and I've cracked a few jokes here and there, but regardless of the case, them people they never deserve for dead. You can't just say, well, them fools so them for dead. No. And I say it work. It was see, we have to give JCF credit when it's due, give the security forces credit when it's due. Nobody not talk about the facts, right? The police them saved over 100 life. Days after it dawned upon me, because I was really caught up into, the details about this and detail. But I was thinking to myself, if a moment of indecisiveness, if the leaders who met the call never met the call, 100 and odd people would have gone. 100 and odd people would have gone. So I know it's very difficult for Jamaicans give the security forces credit. But in this instance, excellent. A lot of lives were saved. And the security forces demonstrate what we know them capable of. That's why I say them can't do it, them don't want to do it. Right. But with that said, the fact that Kevin Epstein could have people like that in a FEME organization, in a FEME system, under FEME control, or feed him intel, JCF really need to clean house. You see, JCF clean house, if them get out just 50% of the shaky cops them, right, we just see a complete different police force. A police force that is more proactive than reactive. Because when you notice that once the story busts out at them time, the way you say, him get investigated, she get investigated, but years this are gone. Years this are gone. Them should have enough of them cases, them should have the folder them put on already. When man get catch them as a seat here, see the folder will be in a collect intel. Remember say, I want the congregation get away and run go tell them, you know. Again, the actions of that individual save whole heap of lives. And even though Kevin Epstein gone, I don't want the Jamaican people them look upon this, right, as some kind of, you know, victory. This is the end. Seeing that him gone, this is the end. Understand the network that allows people like Kevin Epstein to operate is still in existence today. The system, right, that allows, right, look at youths to get funded in the house, car go over here so, ship go over here so, that's still the boat. Right. There are other Kevin Epsteins. People need to also look upon that. When we're telling you, say, enough of my favorite big wigs them, enough of my favorite politicians, business people, entertainers, them in this world with Kevin Epstein, you know. Right. They might not use the church as a disguise, but the whole heap of spooky rituals and, you know, care picking over yes and do this to them and all that. It's massive in Jamaica. It's massive. And the reason why I'm really have to do this video is because I don't want the people them feel like say, right, this is it. It's over. It's done. It's not done. So what the people them there? Who la help? Kevin Epstein. The JDF captain and the policewoman, in the grand scheme of things, a small fry. All of a sudden, he's being painted as some kind of loner. Like he's some individual wacko who like grown and do all kind of weird things, and he's like, oh, the man had support, the man had friends and friends in high places where them friends didn't know. All of a sudden nobody know him. Where the whole heap of big wigs them, right? Cause maybe people them say, when you look at pure expensive vehicle park up outside them yard, people gone in a house, right? One bag of youth in a house and look at youth in a house, and with them people they know. Where are they? Who are they? Them little man you want to say on throw out and expose. Who want bigger names than that? Because we know say bigger names they both. We know say people at the very top of Jamaican society, they are linked with Kevin Epstein and a tech party, right? In them organization. I'm not even talk about the quote unquote church side of it. Because people are focused mostly upon the church side. People need to understand that this man that run a whole network. And the fact that he's no longer alive has benefit the people in this network massively. It couldn't work out any better for them. Regardless of whichever camp in terms of how him lose his life, whether you want, for example, you might be in the camp and say it's a complete accident, or you believe say take him out. Either way, you know who really benefit from this? The people that are linked with Kevin Epstein. Because some of them secret. Some of them file. And if you really care about the youths that they run him, if you really care about the people that him do this and do that too, then saying a good thing him drop out, that make no sense. People are celebrating. Yeah man, that fi happen to him. That fi happen to him. Alright, you can say that. Right, and you can clap and say you will see it there. Right. See him get put in a place there. See the Almighty show him sign there. Alright, but what happened to the people them who will work with him? What happened to your favorite leaders? Right. Who will get, right, who will source not for the local youths them, through him. Want to know for your favorite entertainers, right? Want to know for your favorite big wigs, 3-piece suit. We no want them get this man. Actually, let me take that back. Because I kind of asked a question right this, and it's rhetorical. Because I know the answer. Of course you don't want your favorite leaders to get exposed. Of course you don't want your favorite entertainer. Right? It's knee deep, right, in a Kevin Epstein system. Your favorite celeb, right, a big time spread, I take advantage of local youth. You don't want you that. Right? You know, let me take that back. Right? My apologies to the people of Jamaica. You heard my brother, I apologize. Shouldn't even ask them full question. Of course I don't want to know. We don't want to know. We want to keep living in this fantasy world. We want to keep living in this Disneyland world. We only can idolize these people. I want to know the dark secrets. Jamaica, for all the sunshine, for all the white sandy beaches, and the coconuts and the jerk chicken, beneath the surface, this type of thing are going on. Human trafficking, pitney I get take from me as a cargo, yeah, so parents are giving them pitney to quote unquote pastor in exchange for this and exchange for that. You know, pretty out there at all, but maybe for society function, people need to live in one lie. I was having this reasoning, right, with, you know, a top member of the PIA, and they must say, maybe the only way society can function is if people believe the lies. People believe, say, you know, these things are a one-off, right? These things, you know, just here and there. Right? Maybe it's the only way society can function, because if the truth was to be revealed, society would turn upside down. Because enough people say them want the truth, but they can't handle the truth. See, John Public love talk about want the truth, the truth. If the truth ever stand up in front of you right now, you spit on it. You love living in a lie. You love living in Disneyland. And that's why I know say this new thing where Facebook might bring in about Meta. Right, they might talk about, you know, the metaverse, and you can create virtual world. It's when that come in, Jamaica are gonna name it like Ackee and Saltfish. Ackee and Saltfish will no longer be the national dish. Right. Metaverse and virtual reality will be the new national dish, because now people can create their own fantasy world. Personally, when I think that this happen, even though people might say, you know, look good for Jamaica, I love when things like this happen. Because the only way you can sweep out your house is if you find the dirt. Right. Too much people happy if you have the dirt under their sofa, under the carpet, right, under the bed, under the fridge, under the stove, and then just walk around. And the part of the house they look, you know, just walk past it. But then one day one little breeze go blow, right, and take the dust from under the sofa, right, and bring it out, right, upon the steps them, and then they start cause strum man, look a dirty breeze. Where you cause the breeze for? Right. Where you cause the breeze for? You have dirt pile up under the wall of your furniture them. Eventually, it must come out. I want all of this come out, I want all this exposed. I want all of them people here come out. Of course, you never fully get rid of people like this. But this whole living a fantasy world, and so I can't believe this is not good for Jamaica. It's actually very good for Jamaica. Too much people can't see past them nose. This culture of hush hush to make things look good is one of the reasons why Jamaica they wait there, and why so much pitney I get violated and nothing now come out time. Because people rather hush hush when they want nobody hear say this happen, and when they want nobody hear say that happen, and make it just hush hush and make it look like the thing is alright. Even though pitney get violated every night. That's a big part of Jamaican culture. No. Hush hush don't help the victims. Hush hush don't help the pity them. But people like Kevin Epstein having a mansion and do all kind of things too, right? Hush hush don't help, right? People who are being abused in whatever form. Hush hush help the perpetrator. But remember, in an acidic society, everything is backwards. So if somebody is a whistleblower, right, and come out and say, for example, the member of the church who go to, right, the security forces and make the security forces them run in, for enough people, that person is an informer. And if she just lock her mouth, right, and you chat too much, what she gonna tell them for? The person who blow the whistle and mash up the whole, right, acidic dalios, that's the bad person in Jamaica. Not the people them where I do much rituals and I cut throat and I kill and I violate. They might know the person who blow the whistle, the person who mash it up. That's the bad person in Jamaican culture. How dare you make the pastor look bad? How you dare make the church look bad? How dare you make Mobile look bad? How dare you make Jamaica look bad? The whistleblower make Jamaica look bad, you know. Not the somebody will violate this and do this and do that. No, the person who mash it up. If you want to be the most hated person in your family, you will be the one, right, to expose, right, the person where I violate for the little niece and nephew and see what I'm to you. You would be hated more than the perpetrator, right, than the pedo. Culture is too acidic. People like Kevin Epstein know the culture well and can take advantage of it. Just reason my reason still, PIA, Patron Squad, it's a reason. The army captain, policeman, we're gonna need much bigger ranking people than that before we can say, alright, something come out of this. If I decide stop, this whole thing is a circus. Smoke and mirrors. Papi show. Anyway, Patron Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.